I'm Teresa Ward from Teresa's Family Cleaning, and I'm here today to talk about how to get tough grease stains off of oven glass. Doesn't this just get your goat? Well, this is totally bad. Sometimes after making a delicious meal in the oven, there are tough grease stains that need to go. So this is how to get those tough grease stains off your oven glass. Here is what you will need: baking soda, water, and a cloth. Add about a quarter cup of baking soda in a bowl and mix enough water to make a thin paste. Spread the mixture all over the oven glass and door if needed. Now wait about 20 to 30 minutes more for really packed on grease. Then wipe off with a damp cloth. If there are a lot of spots left over, just take a plastic scour pad and it will easily come right off. Take a look at that. Beautiful. And that's how it's done. Thanks for stopping by for another quick tip on keeping it clean from Teresa's Family Cleaning.